2023 for PERC solar cells. So a lot of tremendous accomplishments. But beyond all of these accomplishments, there is obviously the human side to our scientists here today. So we'd like to ask a few questions, not necessarily about your discoveries and inventions, but maybe the other side of being a teacher, a professor, a researcher. So I'd like to start by exploring the motivations that drove you to do scientific research. So Professor Yazami, do you remember the first experiment that you ever did, and how did that motivate you to go further into science?
Yeah, good morning everybody. Thank you very much for this wonderful event. The day I saw the graphite changing from black color to gold color was absolutely an unforgettable day in my life. So when lithium goes inside, integrates into graphite, there is a change in the electronic structure of graphite, and as a result, the color goes from black to blue to gold color. And when I saw the gold color, I said, oh my gosh, this is the first time ever in an electrochemical cell that lithium was integrated into graphite. So we can store lithium into graphite, and the good news is that we can take lithium out from graphite. So this reaction is reversible, and that brought the idea of the rechargeable anode for lithium batteries. That was back to 1979.
Oh, amazing. And even earlier than that, when you were a child, was there some moment where you realized that you wanted to be a scientist, or did it happen over a long time?
Well, I started my chemistry career by producing hydrogen. Yes.
Sounds dangerous.
I used, actually, don't do it, it may be dangerous, but I used some bottles of Coca-Cola. I put some powder of aluminum inside and add some acid, produce hydrogen, and they use some balloons. So I blow the balloons and they go to the sky. So that was my first experience in energy, green hydrogen.
And was that something you did at school as part of a class, or was it something you just discovered on your own as a child experimenting?
You know, curiosity is something that you learn by looking at things and asking yourself good questions. Why things happen as they think? Can we improve them, and so on? So this is starting from really teenage, when I was really at age 11, 12, that I started to look at, and I'm originally from an imperial city in Morocco, which is Fez. And Fez is like Hanoi, many, small shops, people doing a lot of things. Yesterday I saw a man who repairs watches, like I saw when in the 60s, it's incredible, he has this, So anyway, when you look at this, you just look at the way how people are doing things with their hands. And when hands are working, the brain is working. Okay, so that's how it starts.
Great, thank you. That's very motivating for our young scientists in the room. Sorry, thank you.
Professor Yoshino, I understand that many years ago,